Found your screwdriver.
Let's see what's in the box here. Oh, good. You put the box of them, so you can have the full box about. Made in China.
2, 3, 4.
Should be 6.
6. Sweet. Now, are they all individually folded or folded together?
Fold them together just like you have them.
Okay.
Yep. Put them there.
And it should come with one too, right?
There should be one inside the vacuum.
Because this uses a different style bags than your red.
Than your red one, just to be confusing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, they did. I do think that they made the right
It's an
choice.
improvement. They just should have designated it a letter like they did the other bags, rather than make it a mystery.
Yeah, like call it the XY bag.
I think they should have done a rebranding. This is different enough that they could have called it a different name.
They could have, yeah.
All right.
And this comes with a really nice bare floor tool.
Sweet.
I didn't know these came with the bare
Yeah, they
floor.
come with the bare floor tool. What I don't like is the microfiber on that. I think
take it off.
Yeah, I think that's. It comes with a nice long hose and compare. You can see all the differences between your Radiance and this Radiance. It's so cool.
Yeah, my Radiance is an 08.
You can move anything anywhere. There's plenty of room over here to set stuff too.
I have like number 50 or 60 off the line of the Radiance
so
Premium.
these are...
I'll show you how to put
first
that on
one.
here in a minute. Yeah, it's one of the premium Radiance features.
You know, we had a customer bring in one of those white Premium Radiances,
That's one of my favorites.
This is
and it was
cool,
made
too.
in the same run as mine.
Nice.
The
Is this
very
the one
first
you
one.
So this is their own turbo. It's a mystery. Can I see the markings on it?
I was going to say.
Oh, it's got. That's a Chinese company or something
So
right
it's
there.
not Wesselwork.
No, this is not a Wesselwork. They used to use Wesselwork. They switched to this. This one actually spins up a little bit better, but it's a little bit more bulky.
Yeah,
so
the
it's a
Wesselwork
trade-off.
The Wesselwork didn't work too well with the clean air motor on it.
Yeah. The clean air motor on this is kind of. Did they make it more powerful or less powerful? There's been like 3 different versions of the motor that
I
fits in
think
there.
they've gotten, all of them have been successively more powerful.
Yeah, I think they've added power.
Yeah, no, they have not decreased power.
All right.
I know a lot of people criticize these for having low tool suction, but I've never...
I think it's adequate. I think it's
I
more
have
than
never
adequate.
not been able to get whatever I needed sucked up with.
We've got a scratch. Can I see?
Yeah. Just...
You know,
this is the one you
I've got a
road
magic.
rash.
I've got a magic eraser. We can see if we can.
road rash.
Yeah, I think
Because you notice there's no bubble wrap in here. This is all cardboard packing.
this is how Mila does it too. Now,
They didn't. No, they got foam in some of them. Some
This
of
is
them are.
the-
They are ones are cardboard.
This
Yeah.
is the wand.
And this is another. This is one of the big improvements. Is they put a bigger
mine does-
wand.
Yeah, mine has the mini wand, which I think this wand is why they're able to add the bare floor tool. Because
I'm wondering if these are like seconds. You know?
No, this is sometimes how they get shipped. Let me find you a magic eraser.
It could be a factory refurb, but that's you know.
Make this go away.
I wouldn't worry. I mean, the
I'm not worried about it.
price is excellent.
This
on
is the
these.
one that I was
And
going to
they're brand new when they come
I
with.
know.
They're considered brand new by the factory, and they come with a full warranty. So
This is awesome.
I know. I love these.
The crevice tool somewhere. Is there a crevice tool?
Yeah.
Oh, here it is.
I was gonna say it's probably in the bag.
Where does it go?
Get it out. It goes on the other side.
Okay. Sweet. Yeah. Neato.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite things about these machines.
That brush roll.
I need to order a new one for mine. Mine's got a loose in the ends. Mine was pre some of the improvements they made to the brush.
Okay, so I'm gonna leave that in there. Take this out.
If you want to lift it up,
Yeah. Take the box.
All right, Brian. Let's see if I can make this go away.
All right.
And grab the manual.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab that out once I set this aside.
Let's see if I can. ease your paint a little bit with that.
No?
These are actually, I think, painted. Unlike the original ones were just a bare
Yeah, they were
anodized
brushed
aluminum.
aluminum.
No, anodized. It was an anodized.
Really?
These are painted.
Nope, that's
Yeah, it's a scuff through the
that,
paint.
yeah. Sometimes these will blend the paint, so that's why I wanted to give that a try. So in the back, I'm gonna tilt the camera up a little bit. You got this. I'll let you do that. Honors. Set this. That's got the right torque setting now for that.
All right.
Oh, there's where the crevice tool goes, right in front of you there.
Right here.
Yeah.
Not in that hole,
No,
but
in
in the
front
thing
of it.
in front of it.
Yeah.
You'll see it.
Okay.
It's kind of a silhouette of a crevice tool on the side.
And you notice they improved this. This is much better sealed than it used to be.
Stick this on the
On the box.
no, the plastic of the instruction manual,
Okay.
please.
So
Okay.
now you're going to take the screw out.
What did I do with the instruction manual?
It was in the box.
I know, I pulled it out and I set it.
I'm going to set the plastic in the box for you.
Out of my hands. That's what I did.
And then the torque setting should be perfect for putting that in.
Oh no, I handed it to you.
What's that?
The manual. You've got it.
Oh, it's up there.
Yeah, I want to hold the machine while you do it.
You have that set to like,
10.
Oh, so just go till it.
Oh, I do them in 10 on that. Because it's going in the metal piece.
true, but I don't want to crack the plastic.
No, it's not. That's I do it a little bit more with the handle.
There you go.
This is no. That's
If you want, I guess I probably do too.
I would. There we go. That's
Okay.
torque now. Just a little bit more, and so you get.
Sweet.
See if I can clean up a little bit of the road rash on this, maybe.
There you go. All right. So this goes here.
That eased that a little bit. Not.
Crevice tool goes.
Bottom first.
Yep.
Not interesting.
Yeah. See, that took the one off here. That helped a little
Right
bit.
on.
Do they not
Thank
ship it with that combo tool anymore?
Yeah.
Oh, they do.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. We'll put that on. You could have done that before the handle. I forgot we were doing the premium.
Well, it doesn't slide up there anyway.
oh yeah. Okay.
It's not like a Felix.
So now we torque it down to 5 is where I would have
I would actually do that at 3.
3.
Yeah, that's a pretty delicate part.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. And then the thing I always do is I always hide the screw on the back side.
Oh, of
Okay.
course. That's the proper way to do it.
And then right about there is where it's going to live. You can even torque him in by hand if we're really concerned by that.
I always do. That's one of the few things that I am.
This, just like the Cibo X series, it was like an afterthought. This is really a cool tool because it's a crevice tool, it's an upholstery tool, and it's a dusting brush.
All 3 in 1. That's
It's a
cool.
3-in-1. And it says that somewhere. You got that.
Oh, and then
This is the part that is much improved. Get your hose.
I did move that.
You move this, yeah.
It was
Oh, so
down.
this
I moved
goes
it up
here.
there because
Yeah.
you couldn't see
Yeah.
what you were
Yep.
showing off with the crevice.
And there was an extension hose you could get to go in between here. I don't know if they still make it.
Yeah, I believe they do.
And they used to have this tool kit.
I don't know if they still.
You could get it. Came in an aluminum box. It was really kind of cool.
Oh, you don't have the hose
got
in
it.
right.
Yeah, you gotta click it in.
Yeah.
oh,
There you
I
go.
see. Okay.
There you
Yeah, it's picky about that.
And it's cool thing is on these newer ones they got magnets on that. Yeah.
Oh, so it's
Yeah.
Yeah. They took that.
Gripping the
That was
hose.
originally a Hoover idea.
Oh, that came out on that god awful wind tunnel
Oh,
too.
wind tunnel 2, horrible machine.
But that was a clever idea.
Like, you want a brisket or should I brisket?
Oh,
Brisk me
Mazel
gently.
tov.
Mazel tov.
Oh,
Well,
maybe.
brisk me gently and call me that.
Now he looks just like his father.
I'm like you. That what you worry.
You want to clean the radiance schmutz off, the other radiance schmutz off with the radiance?
Well, let's
Yo,
see
dog,
if
I heard
make
you like
sure
the
there's a bag in here first.
There is.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, I would be shocked if there wasn't.
So would I. So filters in.
Filters,
in,
bag.
The bag.
And this has this bag dock thing, which is not a bad idea, but
Oh, so this holds
It does
on.
lead a little bit of confusion. It was a much needed upgrade, though, in my opinion.
it was needed, but they needed to they should have had a different name on the model or a bag type because people...
Yeah, they should have done more to
if they say,
distinguish
oh, it's-
because it does confuse people.
Yeah, if
we've actually had people come in and buy the wrong bags.
Yeah, and if they say they have a radiance, there's no way to tell, really, for the customer to tell.
What you have to do is you have to get in the habit of remembering to ask them, does it have a yellow plastic
or
a
cardboard, and half of them don't know.
Half of them, yeah, don't know.
You can wipe them off with a pledge if you want, or...
Oh, no, one thing.
No,
All right.
that needs to be wiped off.
Gotta get
Oh,
it.
here?
Yeah, that needs to be.
Get a little bit
You want
of
to use some
pledge.
of your stuff?
Let's try.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, use some of your wax.
Oh, that stuff's amazing. Yeah, fast wax.
There
That's
you go.
good stuff. I'm a firm
And
believer.
I wouldn't
in
use
that.
anything but a microfiber on anything that's painted like this.
Well, even anything with a brand new plastic
Oh,
finish surface, the microfiber will not scratch it.
It'll
You-
scratch the SIBOs.
The microfiber will?
Yep, it'll scratch like an E-series SIBO or a D-series SIBO, scratch. You can't wipe them off with
Well, the Milas, even the black, like the black colored Milas do that too.
That would probably come out with wax, wouldn't it? This. The little buffing. It's okay, this one's being used.
I
You're
mean,
going to end up scratching
I'm
at
gonna
some
end
point.
up, yeah.
It's as good as it's ever going to look. The only thing I would pull off would be this. Or you can leave it on.
oh, the packing stuff, I always peel that.
I should have left the plastic on. We've had plastic on for 20 years.
Our secondary bris. We're gonna
I
do-
peeled that thing off the first. That
Ooh,
was
it's
one-
like a sunburn.
yeah. Oh yeah, it's just like peeling skin off a sunburn.
Right.
Believe me, I've had plenty of experience with that bullshit.
No.
Yeah, some pasty white. I'm a pasty white ginger.
Ryan, do you want to run it on the carpet here or upstairs?
Either one or both. I don't care.
I want you to clean up after the radiance with the radiance. I'm going to hold the carpet down.
Okay.
One switch and press the button. How's this foggy? Is the thing in place? Oh, the tools. Up. It's quite the rug sucker. You're gonna have to adjust it for this. This is pretty deep stuff. As clean as that's ever gonna be.